In this video I'm going to show you how you can see if somebody blocked you on Instagram account. So, if you're suspecting that somebody has blocked you, the first thing what you want to do is take a look at your follower list. If they are not in your followers or following, that means they have blocked you, but it doesn't mean that they have blocked you. They could have potentially just unfollowed you. Now, the second way to see if somebody has blocked you, go to this search and type in their username. So let's say I am searching for this one right over here and I see that it's available. So that means that that person hasn't blocked me. But if you know that username exactly and it doesn't show up in the search bar, that's like 99% chance that they have blocked you. If you want to be 100% sure, take your friend's phone and go on their Instagram, type in their username. If the same username shows up for them and doesn't show up for you, that means that that person has blocked you but hasn't blocked that friend or whoever you have borrowed the Instagram account. And that is the fastest and easiest way to see. If this video has helped you out, leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment, it helped me. And if it didn't help you out, leave a comment with what was the problem and I will do my best to help you out.